In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Cosby!
I'm Kaz, and welcome back to Crafting with Kaz. If we're back for another DIY project. So I'm going to be jumping in some more challenges, and this challenge is going to be in participation with the 2019 DIY Mommies Fall Decor Challenge. And so I'm going to, of course, go ahead and link her channel in the description box below, as well as the playlist, so you can check out everybody else's project for the challenge. But if you want to see what I crafted up, let's go over the materials, and let's go ahead and let's get right started. So I wanted this project to give the look and style of a hanging macrame planner, but with a lot less effort, using some fishing net from the Dollar Tree. So I spray painted these two planners using some textured stone spray paint. So I started this project by covering the entire pumpkin using the green reindeer moss from the Dollar Tree. And so after I got the pumpkin fully coated with the moss, then I started to unravel the fishing net that I got from the Dollar Tree to get that in position so that I could finish basically constructing the actual planner together. And then I started to glue the actual pumpkin on the part of the planner that I spray painted. And after I got the pumpkin adhered, then I started to wrap the vines around the covered pumpkin to make it look like the planter was growing out vines. I used a really small nail that I got from something that I needed to put together, and basically put the nail in the hole that was connecting the vines together so that it would stick into the actual part of the pumpkin. And so after I got the top of the pumpkin planter to the way that I liked it, then I started to use the fishing net at the bottom of the planter and start gathering it around so that it could kind of embrace or wrap around the planter to make it look kind of similar to a macrame planner. And so after I get all of my fishing net gathered and tied together, then I basically start to space it out and make sure everything is even. And you can't really see it here because the clip is out of frame, but I also used some twine that I got from the Dollar Tree, and where I basically gathered the knot for the hanging planner, I started to wrap the twine around it so that it would cover it, and so that I could use that to connect to the part where I was going to have the actual hanging handle. As always, thanks for watching and check out these other DIYs on a budget.